in an ancient fragmented woodland known as the Caledonian Forest, where only the toughest survive. Woodlands like this once covered most of Britain, but now they're confined to scattered plots dominated by Scots pines. Soaring over 20 meters tall, they grow slowly, eking out what they can from the poor soil. They're well defended by thick bark, and their waxy needles are hard to digest, meaning there's little for animals to eat around here. But the red squirrels have found clever ways of holding on in this unforgiving land. Energetic and opportunistic, they range the forest canopy, always on the lookout for a meal. This hyperactive young male, known as a buck, spends 2/3 of his time looking for food. In late summer, when there are limited supplies, he's in a life-or-death race against his rivals. His bushy tail gives him balance, while his flexible ankles and needle-like claws mean he's perfectly at home in the treetops. His favorite food, the cones of the Scots pine, are yet to ripen. Fortunately, this clever little rodent has a backup plan. A crevice in this pine's thick bark still contains a few nuts hidden last autumn. The buck has several larders dotted around the forest. The trick is remembering where they all are. He uses landmarks to find the rough location of his stash. Then sniffs it out. Tough enamel on his chisel-like teeth makes short work of the hard nut. At this time of year, the squirrel must eat around 1/10 of his body weight every day. But a female, known as a doe, is watching. Red squirrels may share their homes, but they don't like sharing their food. It's a face-off. They're the same size and evenly matched. But the doe is hungry. She needs to chase the buck away so she can steal his stash. She gave him a run for his money. Round 1 to the doe. And the buck is off, seeking better luck elsewhere.